lane and niggas can't get over. I can't make it rap with baby bogus. Rather get a pagan.
What's up, YouTube? And we back. Hold up. We dark. Hold up. We're gonna redo that. What up, YouTube? And we back again with another video. It's your boy Josh, and we on parade day. We about to load this float up and shit. We got so much shit, dog. People still loading.
Cause I need someone to put them back.
Y'all ready?
Yeah, we know y'all. Oh, cause we all need to take a shot.
What you gotta, what? What we need to do, Melissa?
Start drinking.
What we need to do?
We need to start taking shots. Oh, let me put my hat on.
Yeah! We out this bitch today!
Start taking some shots.
Taking some shots out?
Yes.
Tell that nigga I don't turn on no challenge.
The challenge?
I know liquor.
I said, can he keep up with me?
You gonna die out this bitch together.
I guess we gonna die today, bitch. I guess we That's the shit, we gonna die here together. Say less.
Huh?
Say less. He said we gonna die here together to say less. Say less.
So boom, y'all, we about to be taking, off. We gotta get serious for that shit up. But yeah, we about to be taking off. No, I do not got my mic on. I need to put the mic on my camera, but yeah, we about to be taking off to go. But I'm gonna get back with y'all when we back on top of the floor. Bang. What's up, YouTube? And we back?
Feeling famous.
You guys know what I come to what?
Which one? You going on YouTube?
What is you? Oh, let me turn to the sun and show that. What? After load this fucking float, Lord, we still fucking load.
And we still load.
You on the double decker.
They barely got room.
Barely got fucking room. Lord. But yeah, y'all, when we start rolling, well, I'm gonna catch y'all when we start rolling.
Nasty bitch.
Woo, that's crazy. Mardi Gras ride day, motherfucker.
I get it, baby.
He trying to get some fucking shot.
Hey, take another one.
Hey, wait! Wait, that's his day! Get away! Stop!
Yeah. Ooh, to the head, to the fucking head. What the Lord. Boy, I hope I don't fucking get copyrighted. I swear to God, I hope I don't get copyrighted.
This bitch. Oh, hold up. My shit is.
That bitch in jail. Hold up.
Let me reload this bitch. I should keep that.
T done jam the 6-shooter, man. They jam the fucking 6-shooter. How the fuck you jam the 6-shooter? You rolling now.
That bitch ain't jam no more. Yeah. And we lit.
You see that? Look at that
that big mother.
I'll shoot a fucking eagle out the sky, I'm telling you. A fucking eagle out the sky, nigga. That bitch didn't jam like that. A 6-shooter.
I'm here with my man Tucker, my mom. I'm gonna get down like this. And I'll show you how we do it like this. Just last week I got the invitation.
Bitch, hoe, dirty ass, bad built, huh? Yeah.
Hey! Give me a camera, hold up. Wait. Different cars? Alright, say left.
Wait, put the black people in. Wait, hold on, the black people in.
Stand down. 11:30. Hip in distress.
Hey.
Comment, like, and fucking motherfucking subscribe, bitch. Yes, sir.
Why you ain't turned me on to this earlier?
Well, because you lose it, you never win.
Oh, boy!
That stuff is...
Yeah! What the fuck?
See y'all black ass on another video.
Maintain, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't make a rapper, baby, bogus. Brother get the pack and